Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this RWB model which is based on the Porsche 911 Turbo. This model is made by Solido at 1/18 scale. This is a metallic model and only has opening doors. Let's start in the front. We have the decals with the brands on the hood. Also we have the Porsche logo there. The headlights and the signal lights look pretty good. Next, let's look on the side. We have these nice wheels with tire writings on the side of the tire. Of course, in the back we have much bigger wheels. Next, in the back we have this huge wing, and we have Porsche written in the stop light. Also we have this chrome exhaust which looks amazing. If you can see, the model is wider than the regular Porsche 911. Let's open the door to see the interior. Let's zoom in. Pretty good interior, a lot of details. I love that they patent in even the seat belts, which are not textile, are only painted. Let's open the passenger side as well. We even have the fire extinguisher. Pretty decent interior in my opinion. So tell me in the comments if you like the model. I think it's a great model from Solido, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.